In a world full of chemical treatments and quick fixes, it is refreshing to explore nature's own remedies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be introducing to you guys a powerful underrated leaves and how they can work wonders for your hair. This leaf I'm talking about is papaya leaves. In Nigeria, we call it pawpaw leaves. We all know the papaya fruit is rich in nutrients, but many don't realize the leaves of the papaya plant are packed with even more hair-loving benefits. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of papaya leaves in this video, and I'll also be showing you guys how to apply this treatment on your hair to improve hair growth and also to stop some of the hair problems we face. So guys, the first thing I do is to wash my papaya leaves to get rid of germs and harmful bacteria. So after washing it thoroughly, I proceed to blending it. So guys, let's talk about some of the benefits of papaya leaves. One is hair growth. Papaya leaves are rich in vitamin A, C and E. These vitamins nourishes the scalp, boosts blood circulation and helps stimulate hair follicles, which results to a stronger, healthier and faster growing hair. If you're struggling with dandruff or an itchy scalp, papaya leaves may be your new best friend. They contain a natural enzymes called papain, which gently exfoliates the scalp, removes dead skin and clears product buildup. Their natural antifungal and antibacterial properties help keep the scalp clean and balanced. 2. It stops hair fall. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in papaya leaves helps strengthen the hair shaft and reduce breakage. They also control excess oil on the scalp, which can often clog follicles and weaken the hair. So guys, once I'm done washing my papaya leaves, I proceed to blending. If you don't have blender, you can make use of your mortar and pestle. It will give you the same result. So guys, once you're done blending, you go ahead and sieve your juice. Guys, once you're done sieving, you put your liquid into a spray bottle or an applicator bottle for easy application. Hey guys, so guys, before I apply the juice on my hair, I like adding my hair growth oil, but it's optional. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please don't click out yet because I'll be showing you how I apply this on my hair, which has helped me grow my hair and also stop my hair from shedding. Please guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you.